Hey challengers, the recipe of the week this week is a Thai coconut soup. Part of the reason I chose this is it's been pretty chilly here in Arizona, so I wanted something that was kind of hearty and warm and delicious, and then obviously really easy to make, so we just throw everything in the crock pot and let it sit all day. One of the key ingredients in this recipe to make it taste more authentic is the red curry paste. When you're finding red curry paste, you want to make sure you look at the ingredients to have the cleanest recipe or the cleanest version possible. I always like Thai Kitchen. They always make their products clean with no added sugars, no added chemicals. The red curry has a little bit of spice to it. So in the recipe, I call for 3 tablespoons. That makes it mild in my opinion. If you're very sensitive to spice, you might want to do 1 to 2 tablespoons. If you like your curry a little bit spicier, you want to go like 4 to 5 tablespoons in your recipe. Enjoy!